So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how to animate shapes in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I got the red colored rectangle here. So what you need to do is click on that graphic layer. Just head over to Effect Controls. Just move to Position. And here you can see Position. So now what you need to do is just position the rectangle where you want. So like if I want the animation should start from here, like it should go like this to the right. So what you need to do is to place the rectangle from where you want to start it, and now click on this stopwatch button here, and the new keyframe will be added here. Now move your cursor anywhere you want, means the playhead anywhere you want, and change the position wherever you want. So I am doing it like this. So now you can just play it from beginning and see. So you can see the animation has been started. The rectangle is moving to the right side, but it's pretty slow. So what you can do is click on the graphic layer, just scroll a little bit where you can see the keyframe. Just move the second keyframe to the left, means near to the first keyframe, and there you can see once again. Now the rectangle will move to the right side faster than before. Now you can see it's a bit faster, but we can make it more faster. You can do the same. Just drag the keyframe near to its initial position keyframe. Now you can play. Now you can see it's moving very fast. So that is it for this week's video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to see how can you create these shapes in Premiere Pro, I will put the video link in description, or you can just click on the I button here. So guys, that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you in the next video.